Hi everyone! Welcome back to Ann Design Craft channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to crochet a simple tulip. A quick and charming design that not only helps you use up your yarn stash, but also makes a thoughtful gift. These crochet tulips are ideal for presenting to a graduated friend or a beloved teacher. Let's get started and create something beautiful together. In this project, I'm using leftover yarn, something many of us have but often don't know how to use. If you're in the same boat, this is the perfect project for you. Here are the tools you'll need for this video: 4-ply cotton yarn, a 3mm crochet hook, and a tool for stuffing, a needle, and a pair of scissors. Let's get started by crocheting the stem using green yarn. Make a knot in a magic ring and do 6 single crochets into it. When you finish a round, make sure to do a slip stitch in the first stitch to close it off. Then chain 1 to start the next round. You need to repeat this at the end and start of every round to keep things nice and neat. In round 1, make an increase in every stitch until the end. You should have a total of 12 stitches. When you finish a round, make sure to do a slip stitch in the first stitch to close it off, then chain 1 to start the next round. You need to repeat this at the end and start of every round to keep things nice and neat. For rounds 2 to 5, simply work a single crochet into every stitch all the way around. In round 6, we'll transition to the tulip flower part by changing to your preferred flower color. Switch colors with a simple knot. Hold the yarn tails tightly to secure them. In this round, work in the back loop only. Do 1 increase, and followed by 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this step 6 times. By the end of this round, you'll have a total of 18 stitches. In round 7, do 2 single crochet. And followed by 1 increase in the next stitch. Repeat this step 6 times. By the end of this round, you'll have a total of 24 stitches. In round 8, do 1 increase and followed by 3 single crochet. Repeat this step 6 times. By the end of this round, you'll have a total of 30 stitches. From round 9 to round 17, simply work a single crochet into every stitch around. Keep your stitches tight and even for the best result. Here's how to change yarn when your current yarn runs out. Grab your new yarn and position its tail alongside the end of the old yarn. Use your fingers to hold the tails tightly in place. Continue crochet as usual, allowing the new yarn to seamlessly join in. This method avoids tying knots and keeps your work smooth and tidy. It's a simple and effective way to transition between yarns without interruption. Once you've finished round 17, cut the yarn and leave a short tail for sewing. Fill the tulip with polyester fiber until the flower is fully stuffed. For a sustainable option, you can also use leftover yarn scraps as filling. It's great for reducing waste. After that, let's shape the flower. Fold the open edge in half and sew through the middle stitches to secure. Fold the piece in half again, forming a plus shape. Sew tightly in the middle to maintain this shape. Hide the leftover yarn. Your tulip is now complete. It's ready to brighten someone's day or decorate your space. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed creating this simple and beautiful crochet tulip with me. It's a perfect project for using up leftover yarn and makes such a thoughtful gift or decoration. See you in next video.